In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify email automation. Email automations are a powerful way to stay in touch with your customers without having to send every message manually. They can welcome new subscribers, recover abandoned carts, or follow up after a purchase, all running in the background once you set them up. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find Shopify's built-in automation templates, preview them, customize them, and then turn them on so they start working for your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. When you do, it will expand to show more options underneath. From those options, select Automations. This will take you to the Automations section. On this Automations page, Shopify may already show some common email automations on the main dashboard, such as welcome flows or abandoned checkout reminders. These are ready-made workflows you can use right away. If you want to explore more choices than the ones shown by default, look towards the top right corner of this page and click on View Templates. This is where Shopify lists the full range of automation templates you can start from. You'll now see a gallery of automation templates, each one displayed as a card. Every card shows the title of the automation and a short description of what it does. So take a moment to read through them and think about what fits your current goal. For example, you might see templates for welcoming new subscribers, win-back campaigns, or product follow-ups. When you find a template you like, click on its card. A pop-up window will open, giving you a larger preview and a more detailed explanation of what the automation is about and when it will trigger. If this looks like what you need, click Use Template at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now, wait a moment for the editor to load. You'll be taken into a visual workflow editor where you can see each step of the automation laid out. These steps might include triggers, delays, and the email messages themselves. You can click on any step in the workflow to edit it. When you select a step, its settings and content will appear in a panel on the left side of the screen. Here you can adjust things like timing, conditions, and the email content so it matches your brand and strategy. Once you're happy with your changes, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Turn on Workflow. A confirmation pop-up will appear, explaining that turning on the workflow will activate the automation. Review this carefully to make sure everything is set the way you want, then click Turn on at the bottom right. Your Shopify email automation is now live and will start running automatically based on the conditions you set.